Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to create a work cycle with Autodesk Maya. So I've downloaded a work cycle here. Let me move it. Okay, so I downloaded this work cycle reference from YouTube. Here, Athletic Mail standard work cycle. Yep. So here we have this front view and then the side view, but we're going to make use of just the side view. Okay, so I created a new folder for my project work cycle, and in Maya I am going to create. Okay, before I move to Maya, let's export this this video into image sequence. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. Construction is going on just across my house here, so please bear with me. Thank you. So we need to import this video into After Effects so we can make a reference, an image sequence from it. Okay, an image sequence is a series of images that all together make up the video we are working on. So with After Effects, after launching After Effects, just drag and drop the video here. So it's in. I'm going to come here and drag and drop. Okay, I'm having this error because my cap lock is on, so I'm turning it off, and yes, I can, my scene can be updated. So you can press spacebar to play, and here we have it. This is a very slow walk. Okay, is there a faster part? It's a very slow walk. Okay, it is very slow. Let's use it like this. In Maya, we're going to make it faster after we're done with the animation. Okay, so to export file, I think I should do that here. Let me do it here. So this is our starting pose. Okay, if you're using some other reference, you don't have to do this. I'm just trying to make this work for us. So this is our first pose here. Next, the opposite, and then the starting pose again. Ctrl Shift D to cut, to divide the. Okay. Okay, so just from here to here, that's so. I want to make this faster. This is how many seconds? It's 4 seconds. So let's see. Sorry. Let's make this 2 seconds. Still slow. Let's make it just 1 second. Okay, good. So that's pretty fast. Sorry. Okay. So to export this, go to File. Okay, I don't want this part, or do I? Yeah, okay, let's just leave it. File, Export, Add to Render Queue. So here I'm going to choose my. What's happening? Okay, I'm going to choose my file type. I'm going to use JPEG because I want it to be an image sequence. I'm going to use 0 to start from 0. If I use this, it's going to start from wherever my frame started from compared sorry, don't let me get confused, but I'm trying to make sure this is starting from frame 0. Click on OK, then I'm going to choose my location, work cycle. So I'm going to create a folder here and name it source images. Maya should create this for us when I set my project, but since we don't have that yet, I'm creating this now. So I'm naming this image reference. Okay, inside source images, another one, image reference. Then this name, I'm going to change it. So remember, don't crop off everything, just crop off the rest and leave out that brackets, that square brackets. So I'm going to name this work dot. Always make sure there's a dot, no space, just work dot, and save. So we have this, right, and render. Okay, that's a short animation, so that's fast. And let's see what we have here. We have a lot of images. Okay, it should be 24, yeah, because 1 second, 24 frames make 1 second basically. So this is my scene. I'm going to use a character I downloaded online, a free character. Where is it? Downloads. Okay, sorry. So I downloaded Ultimate Bunny from rustyanimator.com and I'm going to use it here for this tutorial. Alright, so first I'm going to create a project for my scene. I'm going to go to File, Set Project. Okay, work cycle. I'm going to click on Set. So it will ask me this and I'll say create default workspace. Then now let me set it, just click accept. So if you look at that folder now, we have all of this created by Maya. So here I have my video for the work. I'm going to put it in movies. In source images, which I created already, I already have this there. So my rig, I'm going to place it in scenes. In my scenes folder, I'm going to create a new folder and name it rig, where I'll place this. Okay, and here I'm going to create another one, animation. So this is where I'm going to save my animation file. Alright, it's this. So let me just save this empty scene, animation bunny work cycle. Okay, .ma, save. And there we have it, bunny work cycle.ma. So to bring in my rig now, I'm going to go to File, Create a Reference, Scene, Rig, Ultimate Bunny, and let's see what happens. Okay, so here we have Ultimate Bunny, our character. Okay, and this colors for the leg was done so that we can differentiate left and right. If you don't want it, you can come here and click on two-sided lighting. Okay, so in the channel box you can see okay, I can't select my objects. Okay, so I believe some things have been deactivated, making me not to select it. That should be in the attribute editor of, but we didn't select it anyway, so let's just leave it at that for now. Alright, let's leave it at that. We don't need to select the body, we just need the controls, the curves. Okay, so now let's import in our reference image, that's our work cycle, from source images here. Yes, so I'll just copy this link up here. I'll create a new camera, new, and pull it out, tear off copy, so I can place it here. Okay, so here I'm going to click on image plane. You can see it there, image plane. Click on it, go to image reference, and I can just select anyone which opens, then click on use image sequence. So if you named it well in After Effects using that dot, no space, it would work very fine. I can close this now, don't save. It will work fine. This would work fine. So we have this now. I just need the image plane, and I don't need the grid, so I'll turn it off. Here I want the normal perspective camera, and I don't need the image plane. Alright, so as I walk, I can keep looking here at my image plane as I walk. Do you understand? Alright. Okay. So next we're going to be starting the animation proper, and that I will do in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, Paradise VFX Studios. Subscribe if you love my tutorial, and meet you in the next class.